Hello everyone, myself Shinde Vijay, working as assistant professor at Department of Physics, KTHM College, Nasik. Today we have going to discuss MSc second year, semester 3rd, paper number 4th, that is the course of energy studies first. In this course, we have to see these 4 modules or chapters: energy sources, solar radiation and its measurement, basic of heat transfer, and last module is energy storage. Starting with the first module, energy sources, in this chapter we have to see this syllabus: energy, work, power, energy unit and interconversion, various type of energy sources. First one, non-renewable energy sources. In these energy sources are included in coal, oil, natural gas, nuclear power, hydroelectricity and their potential. Another one type is renewable energy sources. In these energy sources are included in solar energy, wind energy, biomass energy, tidal energy, ocean wave energy, ocean thermal energy, geothermal energy and their potentials. Next one point is energy crisis, energy consumption and its impact on environmental, climatic change, global warming, and last one point is future energy option. Starting with the first module, energy sources. In this video, cover the basic concept of energy, work, power and the energy unit and interconversion. Now discuss with first point is energy. Energy is the defined as capacity to do work. Without energy, any work is impossible. Energy is present, then work is done. The unit of energy is joule. They have many forms of energy in the universal are mechanical energy, chemical energy, thermal energy, nuclear energy, radiant energy, electric energy, etc. First one, mechanical energy, energy of movement and position. Another one, chemical energy, energy stored in chemical bonds of molecules. Third one, thermal energy, heat energy stored in materials at a certain temperature. Fourth one, nuclear energy, energy produced from the splitting of atoms. Fifth one, radiant energy, energy traveling the form of electromagnetic waves. And last one, electric energy, energy traveling as the flow of charged particles, for example, electrons. In case of mechanical energy, have two forms of energy. First one, kinetic energy and second one, potential energy. We have discussed the first one, kinetic energy. The kinetic energy is energy due to the motion. Formula of kinetic energy is 1 by 2 mv square. M is mass and v is velocity. SI unit of kinetic energy is joule. For example, a 424 kilogram of car is moving at a speed of 200 km per hour. Determine the kinetic energy of the car. In this example, determine that the kinetic energy of car. First, we have, because the given terms is written as the speed is kilometer per hour, we have written by meter per second. First one, 200 km per hour into. So 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1000 meter in written here. And 1 hour is equal to how many second? 3600 second. That's quantity. The hours get cancel. Kilometer get cancel. The remaining quantity 200 into 1000 divided by 3600 meter per second. This quantity is calculated as, and the final speed is 55.56 meter per second. Now, the kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. M is mass and v is velocity or speed. 1 by 2 into 424 into 55.56 bracket square. In this quantity is calculated that the final answer or the kinetic energy of the car is 6,54,425.68 joules. Now, the another point is potential energy. The potential energy is energy possessed by an object due to its position or state. Formula of potential energy is mgh. M is mass, g is gravitational acceleration, h is height. The SI unit of potential energy is joule. For example, a load with as mass 10 kg was lifted up by a pulley to the height of 0.6 meter for pile work. What is the potential energy of the load? That example, the potential energy of the load is calculated. Given the gravitational acceleration is given 9.81 meter per second. First one we write given terms: mass 10 kg, gravitational acceleration 9.81 meter per second, height is 0.6 meter. Potential energy is equal to mass into gravitational acceleration into height, mgh, is equal to, the quantity is put up that, and the final answer, the potential energy of the load is 58.86 joule. Now, discuss with another point is work. Work is defined as product of the force and displacement of an object in the direction of force. Work is equal to force into displacement. The unit of work is joule or Newton meters. Factors affecting by the work done is, the first factor is the application of a force, and the another factor is the moment of the object by that force over a distance. For example, if the baby push the chair across the floor 5 meters with 5 Newton of force, how much work is done? The work done is calculated. First one, we return the given terms: force 5 Newton and displacement 5 meters. Work done is equal to force into displacement, F into S. The given term is written as 5 Newton force into 5 meters displacement. The work done is 25 joules. Now, discuss with another point is power. Power is defined as amount of work per unit time. Power is equal to work upon time. The unit of power is joule per second or watt. 1 joule per second is equal to 1 watt. For example, a kid pushed a wagon in 30 seconds with 13 Newton of force. He pushed it a total of 20 meters before he gave up. How much power did he use? First one, given terms: force is equal to 30 Newton, displacement 20 meters, time 30 seconds. Power is equal to work upon time is equal to, work is equal to force into displacement, F into S upon time T. 30 Newton force into 20 meters distance or displacement upon 30 seconds. This quantity is calculated as 600 upon 30 is equal to 20 watt. Now, discuss with another point is energy units and interconversion. First one, the 1 joule is equal to 1 into 10 raised to 7, or 1 joule is equal to 0.2390 calories. 1 joule is equal to 2.778 into 10 raised to minus 7 kilowatt hours. 1 joule is equal to 3.725 into 10 raised to minus 7 hours power hours. In this following, the 1 joule is equal to quantities, and then 1 erg is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 7 joule. 1 erg is equal to 2.39 into 10 raised to minus 8 calories. 1 erg is equal to 2.77 into 10 raised to minus 14 kilowatt hours. 1 erg is equal to 3.72 into 10 raised to minus 14 hours power hours. 1 calorie is equal to 4.18 joule. 1 calorie is equal to 4.18 into 10 raised to 7 erg. 1 calorie is equal to 1.16 into 10 raised to minus 6 kilowatt hours. 1 calorie is equal to 1.55 into 10 raised to minus 6 hours power hours. 1 kilowatt hours is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. 1 kilowatt hours is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to minus 13 erg. 1 kilowatt hours is equal to 8.60 into 10 raised to 5 calorie. 1 kilowatt hours is equal to 1.34 hours power hours. 1 hours power hours is equal to 2.68 into 10 raised to 6 joule. 1 hours power hours is equal to 2.68 into 10 raised to 13 erg. 1 hours power hours is equal to 6.41 into 10 raised to 5 calorie. 1 hours power hours is equal to 0.7457 kilowatt hours. Now another table shown in 1 joule is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 20 kilojoule per mole. 1 joule is equal to 6.24 into 10 raised to 18 electron volt. 1 kilojoule per mole is equal to 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 21 joule. 1 kilojoule per mole is equal to 0.01036 electron volt. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.60 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. 1 electron volt is equal to 96.48 kilojoule per mole.